Today we're going to be going through another experience today where we're going to be working on another data set that is similar to the first one I actually started with. As you can see, these are the previews. This is what we are expected to get and this is what we have to work with to get the particular result. So this data set is about splitting and merging two columns together with Power Query, and this is how we are going to do it. So we are going to start by duplicating our tables because we will need to delete some columns, so which is what I'm already doing here. I have to rename it for my own understanding. I have to make the headers now, which is going to be the category and the amount to be the headers. The A column, which is I'm going to delete the amounts, and then split column by delimiter. Yes, as you can see, so we are going to use the icon we can see there, then we convert it into rows instead of columns, which is what we need, and boom, we have this. So we do the same thing for here. We delete this column. First of all, we create headers, then we delete the category column since we have worked on that, and then do the same thing, repeated step over here, split column by delimiter, and boom, we have this. So here we have to join the columns together, and how are we going to do that? We have to go to add columns, index custom numbers. We are going to start from 1, and because we need number to synchronize both of them together with, and so we do that for the next one, the same thing, and then we have this. We are the merge here, then we highlight that, click on the table we want to merge it with, and we click on it, then click on what we that synchronize them together, and we have that, and you click OK, and boom, we have the two tables together. What is left for us is to just select a particular one we want out of it, and we should have that in our table, which is this. So now we can delete the number column that we don't need, and this is our final result. So you can see this is our final result compared to what we saw at the beginning. You can see that they are actually the same. Thank you for watching. See you next time on the same channel.